Shanti, Essence of Murli, 30th August 2020. Title: The authority of experience is the basis of easy transformation. Children who are images of support and images of upliftment, each one of you children is an image of support who makes the world of today elevated and complete. The world is in fear, whereas you have become fearless and are constantly singing and dancing in happiness. The greatest authority is the experience of God. With the authority of this experience, you can easily bring about elevated transformation in anyone. Those who are in the world's vision are not in the Father's vision, whereas those who are in the Father's vision are not in the vision of the people of the world. Doing service has become the special occupation of Brahmin life. Without doing service, this Brahmin life seems empty. The Father is eternal, the children are eternal, and the attainment is eternal. Your happiness is also eternal. Blessing: may you be loving and detached and remain beyond by constantly having the awareness of your original land and your original form. Having the awareness of the incorporeal world and your incorporeal form always makes you detached and loving. We are residents of the incorporeal world and have incarnated here for the sake of serving. We do not belong to the mortal world but are just incarnations. If you simply remember this small thing, you can go beyond. Those who do not consider themselves to be incarnation but householders have their vehicles stuck in the mud. A householder means the stage of burden, whereas an incarnation is completely light. By considering yourself to be an incarnation, you will remember your original land and your original form and will go beyond. Slogan: a Brahmin is one who performs every task with cleanliness and in the right way. Om Shanti.